Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Clash Royale account back. Losing your game progress can be frustrating, but don't worry, there are clear steps to follow. First, if you've simply switched devices or reinstalled the game, try logging in with the same Google Play or Apple ID that was linked to your account. Often, your game progress will automatically sync, bringing your account right back to where you left off. This is the quickest and easiest method to try. If your account was linked to a Supercell ID, this is your next best option. Once in the game, tap the three horizontal lines icon in the top right corner to open the menu, then go to Settings. Look for the Connect or Log into Supercell ID option. Enter the email address associated with your Supercell ID. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to that email. Enter it into the game to regain access to your account. Should the Supercell ID method not work, or if you never linked your account, contacting Supercell support directly is the way to go. From the game's settings menu, select Help and Support. You'll see a blue message bubble icon in the top right corner. Tap this to start a chat. Explain your situation clearly, selecting options like Lost Account or Recover My Account to guide the conversation. When speaking with support, providing as much detail as possible significantly increases your chances of a swift recovery. Be ready to share your player ID or player tag, your precise in-game name, and your current experience level. Also, remember the name of your clan or the last clan you were a part of. If you've made any in-game purchases, having the transaction ID can be incredibly helpful in proving ownership of your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.